I'm going to tell you in less than 5 minutes how to make candles without doing any math. Now, I've had 7 semesters of college math, including 4 semesters of calculus, and I'm going to tell you, you don't need any of that in order to make candles. You don't even need any high school math. You could have failed high school math, and I can promise you that you can still make candles. Also, if you're new here, hey, my name's Alan, and I make videos all the time sharing insider secrets about how to make candles. Subscribe to the channel. And it's also totally free. So you know how much wax you need for your container, but you don't know how much fragrance you need. So let's just say for fun that you need 10 ounces of wax for each vessel. So you're just gonna take that number and you're gonna put a dot right to the left of that last number. So it's gonna become 1 instead of 10. So you need 1 ounce of fragrance per candle. And now you're trying to make a bigger batch. Okay, so you know how much wax that you need. So you need 10 ounces of wax. And we've already established that you need 1 ounce of fragrance. So you take those numbers and now you want to make 10 candles. So now just put another 0 after each number. So now you need 100 ounces of wax and you need 10 ounces of fragrance. You've just made 10 candles. Have you done any math? Don't know how much wax to add? Take your scale, and I'll have a really inexpensive one that I've used before linked below, and take your candle jar and make sure that your scale is at 0. And then take that candle jar and set it right on the scale. Now take that jar and take it over to your sink and fill it with water to wherever you want your candle to stop. Now take it back to your scale and set it down. Don't do anything with the scale. It's gonna have some weird negative number, just don't worry about it. Just set the jar with water right down. If that number is between 8 and 15 ounces, you are going to have a fun trick that you can utilize. So in our example, we had 11.4. So all you have to do is count 2 backwards. So 9.4. 9.4 is gonna be the number of ounces of wax. And you already know how to find the number of ounces of fragrance. You just take that number and you move the decimal 1 place to the left. It's really that easy. If you do have a number that is less than 8 or greater than 15, you can absolutely try this. You're not gonna get quite as precise, but you will get kind of in the ballpark of where you wanna be. If you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. I'll also link some of my other candle math videos down below. They do actually require a little bit of math though, disclaimer. And if you're still struggling, check out my Patreon down below where I do offer one-on-one support as well as all my formulas that I use for Earth Glow. Anyways, hope you enjoyed and happy candle making.